Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Stay with us. First we are opening colors. Yes, brown color, yellow color. Stay with us. Sky blue color, orange color, white color. Yes, dark green color, red color. Stay with us. Blue color. Wow, so many colors. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color. Light pink color. Yes, green color. And the next one is black color. Dark pink color. The last one is silver color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of sky blue. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, C for cow, C for cat. Now we're using the color of dark pink color. D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. The next one is G. Red color. Wow, so many colors. G for God, H for hand, I for ice, A for ice cream, J for jackfruit, J for joker. Yellow color. K for kite, L. The next one is M for moon, M for mango. Yes, now we're using the color of light green color. N, O. The next one is P, Q, and the last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.